guys, hope everybody's doing well. I got a little video put together for y'all today, and basically I went on a fall maintenance this morning and was checking out this system, and I got a little video put together for y'all. It's kind of a helpful video for some people that just trying to learn, or just something for y'all to enjoy. So I hope y'all like the video, and thanks for watching. Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm on one of my first fall maintenances of the year, and I am checking out this condenser here. We got a heat pump. It is a Goodman, and I wanted to show y'all how I check the defrost cycle for heat mode. Alright, so basically all I got to do here to check it, I'm going to pull my low, these two red wires right here on a Goodman defrost control board. This goes to my defrost switch. This basically tells it when or if it needs to go into a defrost. So basically I just unhook these, lay them over here, and I'm going to take a jumper wire and I'm going to jump the two terminals together, which is like closing the switch. So that way it is now closed. And I have a little pin up in here. See how well y'all can see up in there, but I have a pin right there, and it is set to 30, 60, 90 minutes in intervals of time when it checks the switch to go into a defrost. So I'm going to move that pin to test, and we're going to test this defrost cycle. Alright, so I got it back running. So now I'm going to get my pliers out here. I'm going to take this pin pull it off, and I'm going to put it on test. And I'm testing the board. Alright, there it goes, it's switching over. Once that happens, I'm going to pull my pin back off. There's usually a 5 to 10 second delay. Alright, compressor kicks on, the fan motor stays off, the reversing valve switches back over to what it would be in cool mode, and then if I check right here, my defrost board is sending a 24-25 volt signal to my heat strips, so my heat kit will turn on, so I won't have any downtime in cooling. And that's pretty much a defrost cycle, guys. I'm gonna pull this off. It's gonna kill the defrost cycle. Reversing valve switches back over. And basically what this defrost cycle does, for those that don't know, ice builds up out here on the condenser in the wintertime. And you know, it checks every 30, 60, 90 minutes for the switch. If it detects the ice or sub-freezing temperatures, it will initiate the defrost mode. 5 to 10 seconds later, she kicks back over and runs normal. Alright guys, well, that about wraps up this little video. Hope y'all learned something for those that didn't know, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching.